Welcome to Corona with Kids.
Surviving days at home with our littles.
Cheers!
All right, guys, what are we making today?
Chocolate chip cookies!
Woo, let's go preheat the oven to 375. Where's my oven? There it is. 375. All right, we have a secret ingredient for our cookies. Instead of butter, we use
Crisco!
So you're gonna take 1 cup of Crisco. They make these nice little packages that are already pre-measured into 1 cup.
Crisco makes every cookie better.
Oh yes, the butter flavor, not the regular. How many eggs?
2.
Okay. Next we add sugar. We're gonna do brown sugar. How much?
3 cups.
3/4.
3/4 of a cup.
And how much white sugar?
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup.
And
In there.
And now we blend it.
Blend it on slow. Here, let me get it. We're blending all of the wet ingredients with the sugar.
Oh, it begins to look so good.
Nice and smushy.
That's what makes it look really good.
That looks good. Okay, what do we add now?
1 teaspoon of salt.
And?
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
All right. And?
2 1/4 cup of flour. 1 teaspoon vanilla.
And then we blend again. Do it slow or else powder will fill your kitchen. Once most of the flour is incorporated, you can turn it up a little higher. All right, tell me when it's all mixed. When it's mixed, we pour in the
chocolate chips.
1 cup of chocolate chips. Now we use a cookie scoop and we scoop cookie dough onto cookie sheets.
Make sure it's at least a little bit leveled on the top.
Let's see. Do about that far apart. Okay, should we taste the raw dough?
No.
But are we gonna taste the raw dough?
Oh yeah.
All right, just a little bit. That's not a little. Okay, we put it in the oven for how long?
10 to 12 minutes.
All right, 10 to 12 minutes in my dirty oven. Let's see. We'll start with 10 and we can add 2 more if we need it. Thank you for joining us today on day 17 of Corona with Kids. Give us a thumbs up and a subscription and like Wild Kids Northeast Indiana on Facebook. Cheers!
Good job.